Hi, I'm John from PowerPro. I'm here to share with you today one of our fairly new releases, our PPEVTEST digital multimeter. What makes this meter so unique is it is a combination milliohm meter plus the highly sought after insulation tester. So PowerPro has gone ahead and made one meter to service both of those needs for you. Some of the things that it comes with within the kit is the regular low voltage style leads. So you can still use it on 12 volt systems, 14 volt systems, obviously the standard accessories you'd get with that. It also has the thermal coupler, so it also reads temperature. But what makes it EV specific is not only its class 3, class 4 certification, but also the two extra leads. One is the milliohm meter lead set, which has the special Kelvin-style clips, which basically means that there's a wire going to both sides of the alligator clip. You need that to be able to measure milliohms. We also have the actual meter block here. So when you go to install it in your meter, you want to make sure that the colors line up correctly. It also comes with the insulation testing lead, which is really nice because although we can still hit the test button on the meter, a lot of times that requires a third hand, it has the remote feature lead built right into the red terminal, the red lead set here. So when you have your gloves on and you're performing the test, you don't need to have a third hand to be able to hold these in place while you have a third hand to actually push a button. I have the test button right on the lead there. For the class 3 certification, you have the little tips on there, which basically will prevent the high voltage arcing between them. So be sure to always make sure if you're measuring high voltage that these tips are actually in place. All right, so if you want to have more information about our PPEVTEST, be sure to reach out to your local tool distributor and find out how you too can get your hands on one of these meters.